Hi, I'm Stephanie Rubletz. Welcome back to my channel. It's my birthday, and we're still talking about 2020 reSEWlutions, day 5. Alright, so I did this one on day 5, my birthday, because it's one that is nearest and dearest to my heart and one that I personally am trying to work on the most, and that is using my sewing to make more eco-friendly choices. Alright, let's start off with the most easy one that is everywhere, and that is doing DIY makeup remover pads. I wear makeup when I go to work and when I film, and that's pretty much it. I'm not like a daily makeup person, but I can still absolutely use these. Now, it just so happens that I happen to have a stack still of receiving blankets. My babies haven't been babies for a long time, but even after giving some away, even after using another whole stack of them for hankies when my kids are sick, I still have tons of receiving blankets. So that is going to be a project for me this year. I'm going to take those receiving blankets and I'm going to make some makeup remover pads. Reusable bowl covers. Now, most of the containers that I put food in have lids, but I do find, especially at Christmas time, I was noticing this year, I just don't have enough containers with lids for all of the leftovers. So if you're somebody who puts bowls, mixing bowls and stuff like that in your fridge, then these are probably a really good thing for you. So why not reach for one of those reusable bowl covers instead of the plastic wrap? The next thing is napkins. I mean, who doesn't need napkins? I have kids, I need napkins. Instead of reaching for a paper towel, grab a napkin. Cloth napkins. I mean, we all gotta do laundry anyways. Might as well wash your own napkins. Sewing your own reusable bags. There are tons of tutorials on doing them out of old t-shirts, and you could quilt your scraps together. You can use it as a stash buster. Reusable bags. I was mentioning in a previous video that there's one store that is the close grocery store that I pop into if I need something, and I always forget to bring my grocery shopping bags. So one goal that I have this year is to make some ones that I can roll up really small and have them in my purse or have them in my vehicle, that I can maybe even have one in my pocket so I can just carry it with me and then I will have it when I need it. And on that note of grocery shopping, produce bags. Sewing your own reusable produce bags is a great way to use less plastic. And really, when you think about it, produce bags are some of the most wasteful plastic that we use. Literally, it's in use for 5-10 minutes, maybe an hour, from the store to the house, and then stuff gets taken out of it. It's nonsense. Why do we do that? I don't know. Another thing that you can do is make reusable snack bags. Okay, there's definitely a bag theme here with this one. Why not reach for a reusable snack bag instead of a Ziploc bag? Because there again, it's kind of like the produce bags. You put a snack in it, you take it in your lunch, and then it's done. And sure, people will take their Ziploc bags and they'll rinse them out and dry them and reuse them. But the truth is, they're not really the kind of plastic that you're supposed to do that with. The plastic starts breaking down and deteriorating, so it's meant to be a single-use plastic. So making your own snack bags can reduce your use of single-use plastic. So there you go, those are my top 6 ways that we can use sewing to make more eco-friendly choices. If you have any other ideas, please let me know in the comments below, or if you're thinking about maybe doing one of those, let me know which one that you're going to do. And that's all I have for you today, so until tomorrow, make sure you do all the things, like, share, subscribe, and tomorrow I will be back at you with some more 2020 New Year's reSEWlutions.